Hello there, I'm Amy, your e-commerce growth expert, and I'm here to introduce you to our app called Automatic Discounts and Gifts. This app is designed to help you effortlessly boost your sales and increase your average order value without any hassle. With ADG, you can offer personalized incentives like discounts and gifts to specific customer groups, keeping them happy and coming back for more. In addition to that, you'll find a range of promotional options all conveniently available in one place, including tiered discounts, gift with purchase, BOGO deals, and loyalty discounts. No need to worry about complex setups either. In just a few easy steps, you'll be up and running with your promotions. And the best part is that your customers will see the attractive discounts and gifts upfront, creating a sense of urgency and motivating them to spend even more. So let's explore the power of ADG together and elevate your e-commerce game to new heights. Now, before we proceed with setting up our app, let's ensure it's added to your store by logging into your Shopify admin. From here, click on the Apps section, and at the bottom of this pop-up, click on the Shopify App Store. Once you're redirected to this page, search for Automatic Discounts and Gifts. Select our app from the search result, and there you'll find the Install button. Once you click Install, review the necessary permissions to the app, click Install App, and it is now added to your store. Once you're on the ADG dashboard, you'll discover countless possibilities for discounts to enhance your store's promotion. Now you're all set to explore the amazing features of ADG, let's move on to the next steps and make the most of this incredible tool. Now that the ADG app is installed, let's begin setting up a discount with a gift promotion. Don't worry, it's a simple process. The first thing you need to do is to open the ADG app and go to the Custom Deals page. Since we want to offer 2 discounts in one, we'll create a custom deal promotion. Click on Get Started and you'll find yourself in the settings page. You'll notice that the whole order is already selected here, and that's the type of deal that we need for this promotion. Now let's personalize the code to give it a special touch for your customers. This adds a personal element to your offer and makes it even more appealing. Next, let's move on to setting up the 20% discount for the entire order of your customer on their whole order. To add a free gift, go to Extra Benefits and tick on Suggest a product discounted or free before checkout. This will allow you to select a product or multiple products. Once you select your free gift, click the Add button. Don't forget to change the discount value to 100% to ensure your customers get them for free. After you've completed the setup, just click on Create Deal and then select Automate It. This way, the promotion will be automatically applied to your customers' orders when they check out. Once you've saved the settings, we'll add a trigger, which is a minimum amount that customers need to spend before they can enjoy the offer. Now that everything is saved and set up, let's take a sneak peek at how it would look like from your online store. Go ahead and add a few products to your cart, making sure you reach a minimum of $100. Now, as expected, the promotion will appear on the pop-up with the details ready for your customers to enjoy. Now proceed to the checkout and you'll see the discount and gift automatically applied here. That's it. It's that simple and easy to offer fantastic deals to your customers. Congratulations on setting up automatic discounts and gifts for your online store. With ADG, you can boost your sales, increase average order value, and easily engage customers with personalized incentives. Say goodbye to promotional guesswork as ADG ensures your customers always get the best deals, leading to an enhanced shopping experience and encouraging their return. Happy selling!